everybody. It is mail time! And the first package that we have received today is from Cool Stacks. This is from Silver Seeker. Let's see what we got. Alright, I'm going to open it up. Let's see here. Yeah, Silver Seeker always has the rolls, where he had the rolls in it. Let's cut it open and see what we got going on here. Okay, so first up, let's see here. We got the Mountain Mom and the bird in the background. Gosh, hush. Alright, first up, we have the Nordic coin. And I think this looks like a phoenix. I forgot what it was, but I love Nordic stuff. Alright, let's open it up and take a look at it. Oh yeah. Let's look at it right there. Nordic coin. Let's look at the back of it. Oh, there's the Tree of Life. And here's the certificate right there. And this is 147 of 10,000. Wow, isn't that neat? That's so cool. Tree of Life. And oh, it's the Great Eagle. The Great Eagle. Kind of looks like a phoenix though. But they didn't have, I don't think they have that in Norse mythology. But that's so cool. Let's see what we got else we got from Silver Seeker. And what else we got? 1945 Walking Liberty. Oh man, look at it. That's pretty cool. Neat. Alrighty. So that's my package that I've received from Silver Seeker. Big shout out to him. He's always a stand-up guy and a great individual. I always enjoy doing business with him. You always get what you ordered, and he never dilly-dallies. He always gets your packages. So I just wanted to thank him for that, and y'all have a good evening. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.